Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2015 Hyundai iX35 Smart Key.
What we need to prepare is K518 Pro, the OBD line, an original car key, and a new smart key produced by Lonsdor. Now, plug in the OBD line. The first step is smart key generation. HYUNDAI. Select iX35 ID46 semicircle. Put the smart key produced by Lonsdor into the card slot. Click Generate. Generate successful. Return to main menu. Select IMO and remote. HYUNDAI. Select from vehicle. Select China. Find iX35. Select the menu for 201-42017. Program smart key. Read PIN code. Select Read PIN code via OBD. Turn off the ignition. Open and close the main driver's door once, and turn on 2 flashing lights. Click OK. PIN code has been read successfully. OK. Select Program Smart Key. Press Start button once. OK. Turn off the ignition. Open and close the main driver's door once, and turn on 2 flashing lights. OK. We'll enter into Smart Key Programming. Click OK to continue. The PIN code has been automatically entered, and click OK. OK. Follow the prompts. The program is successful. Continue to program the next one. OK. Follow the prompts. Programming complete. OK. Key has been added successfully. Now, let's see if the keys work. New key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The new key started successfully. The original car key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The original car key was successfully started. Let's try again to see if the remote control works. New key lock car. Unlock. The new key normally. The original car key locks the car. Unlock. The original car key normally.
We have programmed Smart Key for 2015 Hyundai iX35. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate. More surprise ahead.